Starting off every day like a true American. Starbucks. I am so ready to down this. You guys don't even know. You don't even know. Today's breakfast is some Hawaiian cuisine, and I am excited. Hoss got the same thing. Some Korean kalbi ribs.
I went hard with the double back though, dude.
Oh yeah.
Once you dig into it, I'm kind of curious to see what you think of it.
All right. And then Kay went with the salmon. Looks great. So we are done with breakfast now, and we're actually at a really cool location. But before we get started, I gotta say welcome to today's video. Another day here in Arizona for the USA tour trip, whatever we want to call it. But we're here at Off the Grid Motorworks, and we have the owner here. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
So what's up guys, my name is Taylor. A lot of you guys might not know me, some do. They call me Tay. But this is Off the Grid Motorworks. We specialize in clear rock paint protection film, detailing, vinyl wraps, and window tint.
Awesome. Let's go check it out. I hear you got a really special car for us to look at.
Yes, we're gonna go for a ride in a little bit too.
Oh yeah, I'm excited. This looks great. Wow, your ceilings are really high too. Lots of room for activities.
Yes.
And you got like switch tracks? I'm jealous.
Everywhere. So
this is great. Yeah, tell us.
We have it nice and lit in here, so when we're installing film, you can see everything underneath it. Just kind of helps with detailing as well. Right now, it's kind of just personal projects that are in here. We have my 4Runner. My brother-in-law's E46. We're LS swapping it. And then we have my R35 GTR.
Cool. So this R35 GTR, we talked a little bit about it at Fuel Fest yesterday, but I believe you said it's like one of the first to get the Liberty Walk kit here.
It was maybe the third one in the US. I had it done in 2015 by LTMW in California. So we did the full Liberty Walk kit. We have the rotiform wheels, airlift suspension, and then it also has an AMS performance package.
Oh, that's awesome. And then I think I see Kato-san's signature on the dash here as well.
Yes, we met him at SEMA in Vegas. And I actually had the opportunity to have him come to our hotel and check out the car, and he signed it for us. So.
Awesome. So I think you said it was tuned by who?
It's AMS Performance Kit.
Okay.
So it's basically just full bolt-ons. We did a flex fuel system, so I can run 85, 91. And yeah, I mean.
What kind of power does it make?
We're like 850.
What?
So not
with
too
bolt-ons? What do you mean not too much? My FD car doesn't even make that. Well, I mean, it'll make more, but like I don't have it tuned for that.
Back in the day, that was good. Now, I mean, you have to be at least 1,000.
All right, guys. Jeez. This is great. All right. I always like asking people, what's your like favorite thing about the car? And normally it's always like the smallest little detail, but is there anything that like stands out to the car that you just like love the most that you did?
I don't know. That's a good
hard.
question. I've honestly never had someone ask me that.
Coming to you live from Hoss's streaming studio to tell you that you need to go to SAMMIT.net right now and grab yourself one of the All I Want for Christmas is Car Parts Christmas sweaters. We have them all in stock and they're all shipping out today when this video is live. Chi-chan's at the shop, packing orders. So make sure you head there right now and grab some so you get them right before Christmas and you can wear them to those Christmas events and make sure that everyone knows that all you want is car parts.
Hoss, what do you want for Christmas?
Car parts.
And where would you get that sweater?
SAMMIT.net.
And then you got some Sparco seats in there with some Takara harnesses. Looks great. Oh, harness bar too. It's really cool. What do you mainly do with the car? Mainly street drive? Have you ever taken it to the track or anything like that?
So I did one track day on it. Wasn't my personal favorite, just tracking on air just didn't feel as secure as I
Oh,
wanted
fair
to.
enough, yeah.
So basically it's just a show car, street car, just kind of cruise around in it. So.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, so you've had a little bit of time now. What do you think's your favorite part about the car?
So I think my favorite part has to be Kato's signature on it.
Okay, that's very valid. I think that's a good option. It's something small, but it's very special, right? Yeah, Kato-san's always a crazy guy. Love hanging out with him whenever I see him at Tokyo Auto Salon.
Most genuine guy I've met. He's so cool.
Yeah, he really is. Yo, I like this pink color. What are you wrapping with this?
So our vinyl guy was actually wrapping a Camaro in it.
Wow.
But they ended up changing it to this color.
Oh.
So did like part of the hood and then
they changed to that?
Combined to that color.
This is a very like kind of pearly light pink.
Yeah, it's actually really nice. Like a piggy bank pink.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Oh, Corey, you're in trouble, bro.
What did I do?
Oh no, you're gonna have she's gonna want a puppy after this.
This is bad, dude. I've already, yeah, I shouldn't be here. And actually, this is all bad influence. We got kids and babies now coming. Like, what? I can't afford this, bro.
You're about to be daddy horse.
I can't afford this now. We gotta go. We got cars, dogs, and babies. What do we do from here, dude? What do we do? I got it. I'm gonna be in the bathroom for the rest.
Look, it's Hoss on the TV, guys. Look, your favorite, right? So is this an E46, Tay?
Yes.
And is this a truck LS engine?
Yes. So
And this was your brother-in-law's, I think you said.
it is. Yes, it's my brother-in-law's. So he's fully building it. He's kind of making it more of a street car. I actually bought it first as just a drift car, and I sold it to him, and he LS swapped it, and he's making my dream come true of swapping it. So
As long as he lets you do a couple laps, right?
exactly.
Yeah. This is sick. It's got all the truck accessories, so I guess it's gonna be like engine out of the hood kind of deal.
Yep. So the hood's over here.
Oh, you already cut it
We
up.
already cut it out. And it goes in for tuning next week, and we'll be hitting the road.
Oh, that's sick. Nothing better than like a LS swapped E36, E46. They're just like a turnkey drift car. I love that. Oh, it's got SLR on there too. Yeah, that's gonna feel great. Love that.
You're not supposed
It's over, bro. It's over now. It's over for you. I'm excited. Do you know, you're about to pop my cherry. I've never actually been in a passenger seat of an R35 GTR. And this makes 800? Oh, I'm
I have
scared.
to ruin it for you now.
No, you're not ruining it for me. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Harness up, boys. Safety first. Wait, what do these do?
So it changes. So RRR, like race mode.
Ooh.
So I have comfort mode, race mode, and then just standard.
And then what's this last one do?
It doesn't work because I have bags, but it's supposed to.
Oh, like get the suspension to work? Okay. All right, we're in R mode, guys.
R mode.
Damn. This thing boogies, guys. This is nice. It sounds good.
That's part of the whole car.
Yeah. In the ball valve. You just like doing that, ain't you?
All the time.
Yeah, I think everyone who enjoys a blow-off valve just does that too.
You know what I realized about this?
What?
So far your short time in Arizona? What I'm realizing is we're just gonna try to get you into every car that you haven't been in yet.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like, I'm trying to figure out what is next on the list that we need to check off that you haven't been
I
in.
haven't been into any like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, McLarens. I haven't gone for drives in any of those before.
You might know where some are.
Maybe. Tay, thank you so much for the ride. That was
thank
great.
you.
Love your shop. I'm sure we'll be seeing her a little bit more on the channel my next time I'm out in the States.
Definitely.
Awesome. This is so insane. I know it's a mountain, but it just looks really cool. And then this is some old ghost town that was built in like the 1890s. Very cool. And we brought a 35 GTR here. Pretty much rallied the thing in here. But yeah, this place has been here for a long time. Hoss knows a lot more about this than I do. Obviously.
And I make up a lot of things. No, but this is this is trade. This is the Lost Dutchman's like gold town.
Ghost town.
This is sick. So all of this hasn't changed?
No, since I think it was built in like 1890s because this part of Arizona had like one of the largest like gold reserves or gold mines in the state. So I guess from my understanding is like as soon as people find that, they'll pop up a town like this, they'll live here, they'll mine until all the gold is gone, and then everybody will just leave and leave everything up, find the next spot and rebuild another town like this.
So this was just like a complete ghost town and then people kind of like moved in here and turned it into a tourist attraction.
Yeah, so people just found it and took over or bought the land on it, or I don't know if it's even owned by something, but yeah, all this is pretty much what you would expect if you're a wild cowboy.
Yeah. This is cool. I've never seen like cactus like this before either.
We're just
Tripping me out.
all the cactuses are coming.
Bro, look at this fitment though, bro.
Oh yeah.
On this side.
Damn, is it bagged?
This side, look at the stance. See, Fitment boys take notes.
Oh yeah.
They were doing it
Whoa,
before
look
all
at
of
that
us.
camber, yeah. This is crazy, like these old boxes and stuff. Very cool. That looks like like an old treasure chest or something.
And the thing is, when you walk around here, you're gonna see stuff like this just scattered everywhere.
Everywhere?
You walk up, they have like cemeteries where they would bury the locals that were mining here that had passed away. They have literally outhouses, like what an outhouse. That's where they.
Jeez, that's where they pooped.
That's where they put. That's the poop hut. Dude.
That's the poop.
But yeah, all this stuff
wow.
survived over 100+ years.
That's crazy. And like the old, like carts, mining carts.
Yeah.
Some Minecraft vibes here.
Oh.
Yo, what? So this used to be a mine shaft,
Oh yeah, dude.
and then it would just go into this stuff. I do not want to walk over that. That looks dangerous, yeah.
There is probably some mine shafts you can walk into.
Wait, what? All right, I'm down. This is cool. I'm just looking at some of the old machinery here. There's a lathe. And then this thing looks like a generator. The biggest alternator I've ever seen. It's just cool looking at all this old stuff. There's an old typewriter right here too. Wow. I don't see QWERTY anywhere on here.
Wait, does that typewriter have RGB on it?
No RGB. No RGB. And there's no QWERTY. It's ESCVXM.
Yeah, where's my WASD?
That's so weird. Look, the numbers and everything are in the middle and the letters are on each side.
You think we get like machine anything out of this? I'll crank it. And you just.
Yeah.
Yeah, what can you machine anything?
That ain't gonna work.
Damn it.
What is this thing? This looks wild. New York, USA, model 31.
This is a printer.
Printer?
It's an old school printer.
Oh.
So 1984, yeah, this was a printer.
Oh, yeah, it says Brother Inkjet on it.
There it is. No, you can understand.
I have never seen cactus like this in my life. And Hoss was telling me that generally, like, every arm that comes off is 100 years. So I'm assuming this thing's like, what, 300 years? Oh, wow, look, it gets holes in it. That's crazy. Huh. This is an old church from back in the day. Man, why did I just sound Southern and American? Cowboy commandments, just one God. Honor ye ma and pa. No telling tales or gossiping. Get yourself to Sunday meeting. Put nothing before God. No fooling around with another fella's girl. I like that one. That's a good one. No killing. Oh, I think old cowboys killed something. This cactus has been around for a long time. Was it like 700 years or something, that thing? Dang. So I think we're about to do this. I think Corey's like, man, we got to do this before you leave. So we're going to all dress up and get an old photo taken. You ready for this? Nah, man, you're wearing the corset.
Oh, I'm gonna be showing my skin in this one. Hey.
See, Corey, you look good in that.
No filming or anything. We have full.
Unfortunately, they wouldn't let me vlog in there, but we did get our photo. It turned out great. I'm hyped. Unfortunately, Corey didn't fit in any of the dresses there,
No.
but we did get some.
They said
cool
I look
shots.
too good.
Yeah.
I'm too busty for most
Yeah.
of those dresses in there. So unfortunately, I
Your rack was too
look
big.
Too good. I look too good. Oh, I had some massive milkers in there. I'm like, wow, wow, Haas, you're packing. I was like, okay, maybe I'll just be a cowboy. All right.
All right. This landscape just blows me away. Like, I've only seen this kind of stuff in movies and whatnot, and I never thought, like, real life it was really like this. So cool. Arizona's sick. Now imagine if we were drifting down that. Set up a toge.
Where's your car at, dude? Where's your car at, dude?
Yo, one of those like Baja kind of crazy like trucks.
Oh, you want to go like? Oh, we can go side by side. We can go class 1. We can go
Yo!
Look at how much room we have to do whatever we want. We can do.
Can I get a green card with you?
You want to get married?
Yeah.
Don't tell your wife. Don't tell your wife though.
Yo, Hoss knows all the good spots. We're at a Korean barbecue place. This looks epic, my guy.
Just wait, dude. Just wait.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna get a little salt bay out there on these things.
Starting off with the chamisu. Cheers. Cheers.
That doesn't taste like anything.
That's great, right?
Alcohol.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with it.
That's
It's dangerous. Yeah, very dangerous. You do a bottle of this and like you stand up and you're like, whoa.
Wow, that was actually really delicious.
Yeah.
It's
Pineapple flavored, guys. This stuff's good. I highly recommend it when you come to Korean barbecue. Try some chamisu, which is shoju. Yeah.
okay. Yeah,
That's
too
good,
easy.
right?
It's way too easy.
Look at this meat, guys. Oh, the bulgogi looks so good. Way too excited for that. This Korean barbecue place is pretty legit. We are enjoying a feast right now. Corey's struggling with chopsticks, but
Yeah, look at this. Like, how do you use these things? I don't
right.
pick up anything with them.
you're good, you're good.
Why do you just poke it and pick it up?
Yeah.
How you do it? It's a shish kebab.
We're onto the samgyeopsal now, and we're already one bottle down in the chamisu. It's gonna be a good night.
East or west?
Dude, this thing actually kind of has a bit of recoil.
That one is crazy.
Is it?
Oh, it's like scary.
Do you have it?
We've never opened it.
Oh. Dude, did
Put out
you?
your hand real quick. Put out your hand.
Oh, yeah, okay, all
Dude,
right.
I was wanting to see how fast shot. I was like, oh, this thing.
It's got a kick to it, right?
Nobody moves. Let me see if I'm gonna.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Am I close?
No, you're not even
Oh.
close at all.
Hey, no, what's happening?
Oh no.
There's a big one.
Demi coming through. Let's go. This was not expected at all, but somehow we're hanging out with Demi,
What's up?
and we're gonna do some gel blaster stuff, I guess.
Absolutely.
It's gonna be great. I've never messed around with these, but this thing packs a punch. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys have, but it's pretty good.
So you give me this thing, and how do you get that?
I don't know, Demi came through, but this thing actually hurts.
You're gonna do it? Oh God. Oh!
For you.
Here, let me see. Oh! Hey! That's not.
That was nothing compared to this.
What are you
This-
gonna do if you guys shooting each other?
Oh God.
Okay, wait.
And now somehow tonight's turned into basketball playing pig in their indoor court. Oh!
There it is with the back. Oh! Got
So I just made a kneeling shot, and Corey's got to do this. You got this, bro. Oh! How's that pig taste? You got this, guys. Oh! We had Korean barbecue earlier, then we played basketball, and then I'm hungry again because I'm jet lagged and it's like midnight. So we're now at a QT to probably get some of these buffalo chicken things, stick things. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, write a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.